Hello guys, welcome to another episode. It's super hot today, 97. Exciting, hard, hot, I mean everything. So we got this car, this 2010 Subi Outback Legacy. I'm gonna show you guys what happened right here. It was mechanical damage. We thought it was an engine, but we might be wrong. Because when I got in here, I saw the wires were chewed up. There's a nest right there, or there was. I'll show you guys. That's where the creature was living. Whatever it was, a rat or some kind of rodent. If you guys look over here, look what I discovered. There's nest pieces right here that was chewed up. And look at all the wires, little teeth. Look at this, it chewed it all up. So it chewed up the two wires from the spark plug wires. All I did was just change them out, and then also it bit on a sensor, which is I think some kind of oxygen sensor, and it chewed it all off. So when you would start the car, it would try to run basically on 2 cylinders and die. So right now we got this one installed. Noah can show you guys. Right here we got this one installed right here. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I got these two from different motor right here. The wires, they go on that side. Got them installed, and we're gonna try to start it and see what happens. So you guys don't mind us, we're shirtless today. It's because it's hot. There's no way you can work in a shirt. It's dripping hot. So moment of truth, I got this sensor hooked up right here. This is connected. I left it open just in case I have to redo something. Sensor's plugged in. This is plugged in. Wires are in. Noah's gonna stay right here. We're gonna start it up. So go ahead and stay right there. We're good. Let me go start it up.
Well, let's start.
Well, it should.
Another one.
Running. Shaky a little bit. Oh, I hear something. Oh, it came out. There we go. Okay. I'll turn it off. Wait. It came out. Oh, it's... Oh. Okay, so this is out. We're gonna fix that. Come back in a second.
One eternity later.
Okay, you guys. Try number 2. I connected all the wires. I had a spark plug wire loose, so we're gonna start and see what happens. Noah, ready?
Yep.
Let me see it. Perfect. Success, bro. Nice. Now you just gotta see if there's anything else chewed up. There's oil burning off all the webs. Look at the smoke coming up. All the webs that was there, and the hate that the rat brought, and whatever it was living in here, it brought all the stuff in here. So we're gonna let it run. Looks like it's trying to do some. Gonna check for more burnt wire or chewed up wires and go from there. Okay, you guys, so we started this car, and it ran everything. It runs fine, except when I try to drive it, it basically tries to die, and a check engine light came on over there. So what we're gonna do is diagnose it and see what's up. But it did start and runs good. Fans are basically turning on. It's not overheating. AC, I just filled it up. It's good, blowing cold. We don't know what exactly is wrong with it, you know, other than what we fixed. So check engine will show the light is on, and we're gonna take it down the next step. But we started it. It's good. It runs. I didn't want to drive it out because I didn't want to get stuck on the road, because in case something happens and there's no plate, nothing. Test driving it is one thing. And it does look like they changed oil right here up until 182,000 miles, and it's 180 on the speedometer. So they worked on it recently, and then it was just got chewed up by the rodents. Look at this glue, it's nasty. Got chewed up by the rodents, and it was just donated, and it's still burning oil off the valve covers. It kind of stinks, but it's still burning oil. See, it's running fine. Like this right there. See, it's running perfect. Things in there, webs, fans are on. The engine is good. It might be just like a sensor. We'll figure it out. We'll plug in the computer and see, but it should be okay. It should be fine. So that's that. Diagnose it and move forward. I finished up with the Subi. Basically, I'm gonna take it down. I need to change valve cover gaskets because they're leaking oil, and oil gets on the exhaust. Let me get this open. The oil is leaking from the valve cover gasket, which is right there on the bottom, and you can see down there's exhaust on these Subis. The exhaust goes right under the heads, and it leaks right on top of the exhaust, so it's burning a little bit of oil off the gaskets. So we're gonna do those. I thought it was gonna be quicker fix, but we're gonna go do those and diagnose the check engine light. But it's running good, and maybe check out some wiring. Maybe there's another loose wire or chewed up wire, but the way I see it, there's no wire. Maybe just needs a reset, or maybe new plugs or spark plugs, or maybe I'll just change these new wires completely because it's been sitting. It looks like it's been sitting for a while. So, but it does run good, doesn't overheat, radiator is good, fans turn on. Overall, it's a good car. Look at this. This thing was living here under the hood and chewed up half of this right here. Made a see, it chewed this off and took it and made a nest for itself right there inside the motor. That's insane. That little rodent, most likely like one of them rats or something. But yeah, other than that, overall it's a great car. Ready to go after it's gonna get that check engine looked at and quick detail, and that's it. Work is happening. How can you not be thankful for this weather, for this beauty of God's creation? The sky has some clouds, really sunny, warm. You guys have to go out there and enjoy it, because you never know when it's going to be cold. You'll be complaining that it's cold. When it's hot, you complain that it's hot. So enjoy the most of it, and be happy, be thankful, be grateful that you see that you're alive, you're breathing, that you're walking, just for regular everyday things, that you're drinking clear water, clean water, that you have grocery stores full of food. Just be thankful, be happy, never give up, push forward, just pray, stay strong, and go spend some time with family, enjoy, hang out as much as you can. Just you know, enjoy every moment, treasure it, and be thankful to God for everything. We're gonna go to the pool because it's really pool weather day. It's 97, I just checked, and it's hot. So we're gonna take a dip. Me and Noah just gonna go hang out. Oh, Noah's right here, you guys. Thank you for watching our videos. We're gonna go have a pool day. I'm not gonna film because it takes a lot, and we're just gonna go have fun, you know, 1 hour maybe. It's really hot, like we're inside and I'm sweating. Look at this, like crazy. So we're gonna have a pool time, bro.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you guys.
Bless your family. Go to church.
Go to church. Stay strong. Be positive. Always pray. Be thankful for little things. Never give up. Be good. Listen to your parents. Just stay positive. Best things are coming, and they're always gonna be here. Stay strong, guys.
We'll see you in the next episode.